nsɛmfo nsɛmhunu nsɛm anyansa ni mu saa ama IGP say yɛnhwɛ ne mmra me pato mi nkotie nsɛm a wɔkaeɛ no Sarakatema Okwadum FM no kokan sansem na debu IGP hwe no momenti
ɛna ɔmo ayɛ ɛho nso so ne sɛ yɛ bɛto aso yɛ bɛkum nipa ko ɛbɛkum yes to protect democracy I am repeating yɛ bɛkum nipa ko ɛbɛkum
no
to protect democracy I mean it to protect democracy Alaji
Naziru no because they are all to wasi say mobekum nipa kura mobekum
to protect democracy yes. It is not wrong.
No,
Constitution
no,
Alaji
Naziru. I will not condone this.
Then you are not condoning democracy
on my platform.
Then you are not condoning democracy.
No,
but you didn't say it. I said it.
No. But it's quite unfortunate. I have a lot. I mean, it has come to me as a surprise, honestly, hearing this from you. Say, on this issue.
But it didn't come to you as a surprise. Say, the speaker, who is bounded by law and the standing orders of parliament, want to throw that standing orders and the law to do what his heart desire. And
this speaker in question, Honorable Abambagwe, one of your own. And so who are you putting the blame on?
Which speaker has done what?
Why not?
Show me what Abambagwe did to defend democracy. And no why who's one say?
Enti enya Abambagwe asem na no woka na mum Justice Joe Wise. If I say Justice Oseus Joe Wise. To say enya Abambagwe munya Abambagwe film no mo NDC for no when the omo my MPP for next time no ebe mu jasem nipa krom beku no parliament ho Alhaji Nasiru na akase bi nkwasa asem say nsamfun say ama ya hwehwe no
enti we na omo to abama no say omedi omani mu
yes
pesua so enti
penyini ne kasa sa no e kan samfun e kan samhunu nsam chenchan sweeping statement highly unacceptable.
Sebio ni Jimmy Sonodo.
Penyini timi kasa se nipa krom bekunu 11. Nipa krom bekunu because of ni ekoso parliament one.
Penyo se kwasea de wo de kwasea ma na
me pacho bebre Ghana for neka. Asem na no tin.
Debi.
Alhaji Nasiru na kanse mu.
IGP on fan ntem no ache. Onye no fan.
Osofu Ajagraja me enkweti sunsumu asemra.
Asofu we de who said am ka kire o.
Entie sunzuri ene ko bronya entie sunsum asem kakra yenko
uko na tu fa sante na himfia woni msa de we kura bi franto makora ya teni ana woni mo etina mpanyimfo ho kyerɛkyerɛ wo ho amo kyerɛkyerɛ no ma no ma ko so scientist grant ni explain say ye den na pyramid so mo sisi pyramid den na sa mire mu no mo tibi see pyramid up to date and na kura na cement wo kura no wo see bro sa kura na kraka bam na bu pyramid na standing almost thousands of years and aso so actually bi wo wiase
ebesia
FM 96.5 yo kan kura fa so ye nante tiniye sani esi kasa kura wa ase sani esi trase wa ase oni say England Queen odi tumi so kan na to oda sama maka kire mo amwo UK no wo be kan no kura kire enti mi ji sum bia di ni tumi se mi ji bibia di adentia bibi wo wiase enti mi fa no ma bi ni agro adentia Father Christmas Christmas. Father Christmas, yes, at the Coco bomb teacher, some year bay for me, Busini, and so see Christian, so the Christmas. Father Christmas, now I told the toy wall them, wash out Taliban, wash a red, and a black body. None about this ifita, wash a red. Why do you not so? Say Father Christmas is a red. Why do you not so? Say Father Christmas
38 024 007 9238 024 007 92.
Sorry, sir, me buy a man to you. I'm fan cabin and then me bufu afuno. Me bufu afuno because I'm sure for some time now me my because when I look at what is going on in Ghana, now we onipa da seni osi odo Ghana. Castle Pegana. Now, what just say, look at the if since when did violence become anything? Yeah, First World War, Second World War. At the end of the day, what resolved it? And you don't resolve it, and yet you are not dialoguing. But when you don't have dialoguing skills, when you don't have smartness and brightness, not to know and decipher, you would always come out as NDC fools. You sat on the floor of parliament where laws are made and sang revolution has a long way to go, has come to stay. Cadres may come, cadres may go, but the revolution has come to stay. If the revolution has come to stay, that is not in parliament. Because it is the same parliament that said revolution is treasonable. And tokwa funumwa na tomoni akeka NDC for MPs. And tokwa funumwa na tomoni akeka ye the intellect argue obia position obia den the point eba no ya hu ni said the ayeka no ye boka ye nkura asem enti sadia the way we came to power gidi we shall kill to come to power. Chairman Drew, let me know when Honorable Hobson joins because I can't get a feedback from him. So let me know. But now, I want you to play our video now. Me send last no Nasiru. Before this man plays the video, let me show you something. This Nasiru, the NDC Nasara coordinator, I met him 2019 at Peace FM. I'll put the pictures out there. And this guy was on live radio at Nana Yaokese platform show, lying through his teeth, said, Sabi, President Akufo-Addo baye onyehwe emfama Zongo development. Onyamin chade sada na semubeka ya NDC foja ye doctors bi ne ye student bi o Cuba ne ye ntieti omo akenti na o ma ye hostage wo ho. Semubeka ya Matthew Poku Prempe eso eno mukotu as eska no and ye release your baye. So lucky enough it was that same day those people have been released to Ghana. And Okojina Peace FM, a big station, the platform Okuditro. Cardinal, I salute you. Thanks for your hospitality anyways. Right there, I got pissed off and I said, oh, PF1, I said, boss, into one quarter radio, so I would Detroit. And I said, I feel almost now, we are politicians and I say, what told you? Now, Miss You, there be, and I'm better about politics, no, so only party as here, Kakra. No, more because oh, tell you that the other can be against you when I'm say yes, because you're kind of your throat. Now, more money, me, fact money, me be a phone. Now, me go Google, I will Peace FM, Cardinal, Udini Adansi, and I can say this thing you. Anybody who was part of the Afrofest team that went to Ghana 2019, if you were part of the people, if you listen to Peace FM that night, you know what I'm talking about. It is a fact. I'm not fabricating nothing. Okay? I opened the thing there and shame Nasiru way. And I'm bisa Nana Yaokese say, why do they allow such people to come on platform? And Nana Yaokese say, and no Nana Yaokese they choose who comes so. Now yeah, the party communications no, and they choose who goes where and who goes where. And the way so Adiana Koye no, what we are like the moderator no, to me can be too much because